What's up, guys? Today I'm with my friend here. You've seen her in other videos with the monies, but
Hi, it's me, Taylor, again. What y'all doing?
She doesn't have any electronic but her tablet, so she don't know what to do. But today we're doing a room tour.
And y'all gonna be seeing the cool stuff, like the cobweb right there.
And there's a cobweb.
Yeah.
Yep, people.
Oh, and
And
you might not want to be touching this. This is a real cactus.
bro, you don't have to tell them that. That's not what my YouTube video does. Okay, fish. Here they are.
Gosh.
It's my mommy. You all know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. I got a bubbly and a grape juice, and let's talk together. Okay. I'm back to the room tour. This is my bed. This is my bed. This is my bed. This is my bed. Toys. And that's one picture. That's two picture. That's three picture. That's four picture. That's five picture. That's six picture. That's seven picture. That's eight picture. That's nine picture. That's 10 picture. That's 11 picture. That's 12 picture. And my flag. That's my chicken nugget. I am with
Yo, Bigfoot! If you're watching this, please don't disturb me.
And let's go tackle her.
Wesley, please don't.
You're gonna interrupt the YouTube video. We can get it. It's diamonds in the middle, and it comes with real diamonds. It's made out of real diamond. So if I can tackle you once or twice, we can make it win. Just yeah. There's all the stuff, guys. That's all we have. So, just kidding.
Wait, hold on. Make sure to subscribe and
Like the video and comment if you can, because I just started my channel and I have 7 subscribers, but
can you comment down below if you like the room tour and if you like which picture you like.
and give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up if
Please,
you like
we're
it.
trying to beat someone in a battle between our likes.
She's lying. Guys, don't listen to her. She's a loser.
Oh,
Wait, let's do a piggyback ride.
oh yeah. Oh,
You
hold
can
on, hold on.
Oh, frick! You're sick!
Woo! It's us. Oh.
What's up, people? That's what we do! Yeah, we're siblings.
But my room is next door, but I'm never
Let's go see her room.
No!
Let's go see her room.
My room is a mess.
No, it's not. Oh, your room.
This is our dad's room.
And that's Georgia.
I'm not letting you in my room.
No, you stay out of my room.
Yeah, Wesley.
Wesley,
We're making a YouTube.
Wesley,
What?
Aaron's gonna play Roblox, so tell her.
Only Roblox.
Alright.
Can I go play with him?
No,
I want to.
but it's only one.